What's going on, everybody? I'm here.
And I'm Katie.
And today for Thrifty Thursday, Katie, what are we making?
Our own versions of birdhouses.
We're making nerd birdhouses. I mean, you just said that, but I wanted to add the word nerd in there. So anyway, Katie, what style are you going with today?
Studio Ghibli.
And I'm going, of course, with my obsession, Alien. So I went with like this rocket-shaped one, whereas Katie went with like a pretty nice...
A double-decker, and then I'm going to add this later.
Yeah, so as you can see, we've been trying to cut it behind the scene, and it didn't work out too well for us right now, but we figured it out. We've got the right tool. We're going to do it. So what we're going to do is I've got some nice black spray paint here. We've got gold spray paint for something else. Katie's got her stuff over there. Over there.
Being traditional.
Yeah, so I'm going to basically start off by taking this right here and working with some hot glue around it to kind of give it that look like it's been taken over by the aliens, by the xenomorphs, by whatever you want to call them, the big chaps. And it takes just a little bit of being lazy with hot glue. You don't have to be perfect.
I guess I'm going to go ahead and start my painting journey. I don't want to glue them on there until they're painted.
Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll do that, and when we come back, we'll show you our next step.
Dude, what are y'all working on here?
You having fun?
I'm not gonna knock anything over. You're painting these a little work.
You're just going to lay them on the lap.
That much work. I'm dying.
Ow,
Yeah, that's right. Get to work. We gotta make a good video, not no duty video. See, this needs a little paint here. You need paints in here. Give me that brush. Give me the brush.
Why?
Okay, I gotta take a break here and...
Having to force this glue
Yeah, don't complain about the glue
stick so I
stick.
can
See,
get
you
the glue
painted
to come
some
out.
Kyoto style painting. I don't know what Kyoto style painting is, but I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I'm coming to help you now.
Oh God,
I'm gonna
no.
get this paint all over the place and hey Peter! No, Peter, I don't know if I trust you yet. Hey Peter.
You sniffed Peter.
You sniffed Peter too. Anyway, I'm gonna stand right here in front of the...
Hell
Don't
yeah.
I was gonna drink the paint water, but you can't see that. Oh, yeah, that is paint water.
Hell
I thought that
yeah.
was my glass sour that did I get.
Stop! You're gonna glue this to
okay.
yourself.
I like glue stuff
I
on me.
don't care.
I like the glue things all the time, because I'm adorable and you're not. So, yeah, I'm looking at this here. I need that.
So
Oh, I
bad.
don't need that.
I think I've got
Yeah, that's right.
a good little bit there
You
on
got
mine.
stuff on yours. Anyway, let me look over here and see what I can find. Anyway, watch this, guys. I'm gonna do a magic trick right here, and that's my butthole. Look at the adorableness. Never mind. Bye. I'm gonna go this way and hide behind Katie. I'm not saying bye yet. Nope. Gonna sit right there.
Alright.
Yeah, you gotta keep me company, Katie, because I'm alone in this world. Hey, I'm back! We were gonna do some painting.
Yes, Helly Kitty,
Yeah.
I know. No, don't
Yeah,
show them
look at my
that.
butthole for round 2. Bye.
Okay.
I'm gonna stay here. No, I'm going bye.
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 Fine.
Fine.
So, anyway, thanks to our production assistant, Helly Kitty, this is what we've gotten so far. I've gone ahead and put some hot glue around mine. You probably
really
can't
cool.
really see that so far, but it kind of gives that illusion that it's been, like, taken over. So, I'm going to go ahead and spray paint mine while Katie
I've
continues
made a
to...
green roof. That's all I've done.
So Katie's working on trying to get her colors in there now, and I'm going to work on that. And the next step we're gonna have to do is probably try to cut this to fit that roof there, so she has that third, nice.
It's going to be the bathhouse.
Yeah.
You can't have a 2-story bathhouse. It doesn't
So-
work.
Ow! Oh my God! Sorry, I didn't mean to hit.
Anyway, and one more of our production assistants has decided that they want to take over the camera portion of things, and that's not Helly Kitty, that's production assistant Minnie the dog. And production assistant Bowie is finding things on the floor to eat, so I probably need to stop here to get her to stop eating stuff. Alright, so we've got our birdhouses painted, and Katie's actually
Doing a little touch up.
She's doing a little touch up on hers, and I think it looks really cool. So I'll go ahead and show off mine first so far with what I've got. Still got some spots that probably need to dry, but I went with that, like I said, the alien theme. So I used the whole like dark with what looks like, you know, hive material on it. And I'm just going to make it even more alien themed here by adding some toys to it. You know, just because it's not going outside. We don't have many, I mean, we got birds, but it's like, most of them never really use birdhouses. They're like, nah.
Trees,
bushes, Becky's.
I went for, if you've seen Spirited Away, you should recognize this, or at least what I attempted to do. I made the bathhouse that Yubaba works and runs and lives in. And up here at the top, it's got like a little smoke cloud coming out of it because you know you can't really have hot water without steam. So there's that, and then I'll be adding soot gremlins and some designs later. This is what I do for you guys. My fingers are gray.
Illuminati. Yeah, so Katie's going through some extreme lengths here to make sure that, you know, her house looked good. I'm working on mine now, adding in my final touches, which is like some alien toys and stuff like that. And the queen really won't go in there, so
she's like,
I might be able to. Here you go, Katie. If you want to go ahead and put your gremlins on there, I gotta figure out something here for whether or not I'm gonna use her or not, but probably not.
Extra safety layer up here.
The only thing I don't like about this one toy here, and they got this from like, I think a loot crate, is the bishop figure that came with it just doesn't.
Just doesn't do.
It just doesn't do. Alright, that actually might work. Maybe I should just hot glue her to the front of it like that. But I'd have to figure out how to hold her on there. So no, I'm not gonna worry about it. I did get some paint on the stand though. And on my fingers. So the things we do for y'all. So anyway, Katie's got hers finished. I've got mine finished. I'll go ahead and pull mine up a little bit closer so you can see it. So I put on a little chest burster, an egg, a face hugger, and a drone, or a big chap, or whatever they call them, you know, and depending on the movie. Katie, your soot gremlins are like perfect.
I've got one sitting up there on the top, chilling, one's in the hole, and then one is hanging on for dear life to the little knob.
So yeah, these are more or less because, you know, I could see a bird going into hers, but mine, nah, they'd be like, nah, I know what happens in that movie.
I'm gonna add some designs later.
Yeah, but Katie, this was a fun project, wasn't it?
Yes.
I really thought this was probably something I wouldn't have done before I actually did do it, and I'm enjoying how it turned out. So anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Leave a comment below. Let us know what you thought of today's video. Also, hit that bell icon. I remembered this time. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Nubby.
Hey everybody, it's me, Honey Kitty, and I'm fighting a demon tree snake thingy. And anyway, click on that round subscribe button and that video. Anyway, I gotta run. This thing's gonna kill me. Bye!